National Secretary ke BJP Rituraj Sinha agar arpu pratrik ubnai naiwing arajar arpu ula pelipat ba ya ke jing penrung dekot ke parti BJP Meghalaya ke office terekam jong ke parti BJP. Rituraj ula kentu ya ke pat nong song jong ke jela ban ailat ya ke BJP bantau Sarkar hausnam arajar arpu lai. Ula ong baga jela Meghalaya keladai kapor ya ban ailat ya ke Sarkar Double Engine kata ke Sarkar ban sensar ke Sarkar pedeng bat kum juru ke jela. Bat ula ong ba ke BJP kan ya kun habaro hendri poteli ki constituency ke election ke banwan.
We believe as BJP that Meghalaya deserves better. Meghalaya deserves more. Looking at the development work that is happening in your neighboring state in last 6 years in Assam, one feels pain that why we cannot do more in the state of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya. Meghalaya deserves better healthcare, whether it is your public healthcare system, PHC, or other district level healthcare system. Meghalaya needs better education facility from primary education to higher education. Meghalaya is still suffering from power cuts and electricity issues. Meghalaya still many interior parts, the road connectivity is not as good as it should be in a developed state. There is lot of areas where Meghalaya deserves better. This development can only happen with support from central government, support from Modi Sarkar in Delhi. As BJP, we believe that Meghalaya has tried many options. It is now time for Meghalaya to consider a double engine government, a government of BJP in center with a government of BJP in the state of Meghalaya. A double engine ka sarkar which will fast track the growth and development works in Meghalaya. Therefore, we are preparing to contest elections in all 60 assembly constituencies of Meghalaya state. We are finding tremendous response, tremendous support from the people of Meghalaya. Many people during our campaigns have said that they want to become BJP member. They want to associate with BJP officially. And taking care of their sentiment, in response to the sentiment of the people of Meghalaya, today I am proud with my state president Shri Ernest Mauriji and my state Prabhari Chubaoji to announce BJP membership drive in Meghalaya. We will start a process of you joining the BJP in Meghalaya. It's a simple process. I know that lakhs and lakhs of youth, women, village folk, farmers, young educated professionals, doctors and lawyers, people from all walks of life would come out to support Prime Minister Modi and show him that Meghalaya today is ready to welcome Kamal Chhap, Lotus symbol and the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. We welcome one and all to join BJP. BJP's motto is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. Putting it in English, it says Sabka Saath, for everyone's support. We seek everyone's support. Everyone is welcome, irrespective of your caste, your religion, which region you are from, male, female, everyone is welcome. Sabka Saath. Why Sabka Saath? For Sabka Vikas. We come together for the development of all, and we come for Sabka Vishwas, to win the trust of all. No propaganda against BJP. BJP has proven its credentials. We have the trust of all and sabka prayas. Together, if we make efforts, we will have a prosperous, safe and developed Meghalaya. Let us work towards it, and I welcome all to join BJP. That there is no dispute or doubt in anyone's mind that Prime Minister Modi has converted the look east policy of the Congress government in the past to act east policy. The financial resources committed for infrastructure in Northeast have more than doubled in the last 8 years. Whether it is highways, whether it is rail connectivity, whether it is airports, so much has happened in different parts of Northeast. Similarly, all the benefit schemes for the poor, they are being spread, whether it is free home, free gas, electricity connection, water connection, all this scheme has been brought. As regards to inner line permit and other such issues, we are happy to discuss all these issues. We have to look at the pros and the cons. Meghalaya is a state which is heavily dependent on tourists. There are implications of inner line permit on tourism, and tourism directly impacts job creation and earning of people of Meghalaya also. So yes, we understand that the culture of Meghalaya has to be protected, the people and their way of life has to be protected, but at the same time, we also need to balance that with the development aspirations of the state. So BJP is actively considering, and we will bring out more clarity in this matter during our manifesto announcement. At this point in time, I will say that you should wait for the manifesto of the BJP, which will be announced in January. We will like to keep some things away for now, but we will bring it and clarify our position on this matter shortly. We believe that corruption in government is like stealing from the poor. Modi ji has led a government in 8 years in Delhi with zero corruption. In Meghalaya, we are a part of the government as part of the alliance of MDA, but at the same time, it is our job as a responsible political party to raise a red flag, raise our voice when we see something not happening correctly. So our MLAs, our state president, our spokespersons have always ensured that if there is an area of concern of the people, they raise the voice and ensure that the people's voice is heard. Political strategy is not a matter to be discussed with the press. The party will decide, and at the right time, we will make the announcement.
You mentioned
The results of the elections will best explain the answer to that point. I would not like to indulge in mudslinging. I will only say that we respect all political parties, but we believe that the people of Meghalaya have made up their mind. They want double engine government. They are seeing what is happening next door in Assam. They want that kind of development at speed in this state, and I'm sure that the people will come out this time and vote for the BJP and ensure that Modi ji leadership is here and driving the future of Meghalaya.